Hello, everybody. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I have an unboxing from a company called Prose. So for those of you who are not familiar with this company, it's actually a, I guess like shampoo, conditioner type, and they also have some skincare. Now, I have been on a journey lately with curly hair. I know it doesn't look like it today because my hair is very straight. Well, it's not very straight, but it's pretty straight. Believe me, it's been straighter than this before. But anyway, I've been doing the wavy Wednesdays, and been on a wavy hair journey because I have found that my hair actually has some wave to it. But in the last couple of weeks, I've had it to go just totally straight because I haven't been bothering with it because I've been really busy taking care of my mom, who actually passed out and broke her back. So anyway, I ordered some shampoo, conditioner, and some other hair stuff from this company because I keep seeing it online and I'm really curious about it. This box, though, I believe is not the shampoo. I'm not really sure. We'll see. But while I was ordering it, they had a thing where you could get their skincare for free. And I think that's what this is because it says, your skin will thank you. So more than likely, it's probably the skincare. So let me see if I can open this. I need to get a knife. Got the knife. And I also apologize about the lighting. My mom doesn't have the best lighting in her house. Okay, what do we have here? Yes, the custom skincare starter set. Look at that. Because beauty is personal. 3 simple steps. So it looks like we have cleanser, serum, and I think that's lotion. Let me see. Let's open this up and look. Oh, okay. Well, look at there. Custom cleanser for Terry. And it has a little pump thingy. So I guess I put that in there. And then we have serum and moisturizer. These are pretty good sizes for being just a trial size. Let's see, are there any instructions? It tells you the ingredients that are in everything. And before I ordered this, it actually asked me a bunch of questions about my face, about my age, about where I live, and all that kind of stuff. And supposedly it's formulated for you, depending on where you live, what your activities are, and so forth. Anyway, I'm going to try this tonight before I go to bed. I'm going to wash my face. And then tomorrow, after I'm all dolled up, I'll let you know what I think about it. Let's kind of open this a little bit because I did order the fragrance free. I'm actually allergic to fragrance, so I have to really be careful. And that's one of the things I liked about this company is that they had fragrance free. And sure enough, it's fragrance free. This is the cleanser. Yep. No fragrance at all. That's good. And then we have, I guess the serum would be next. I wonder if that's like an oil. Let's see. Oh, it has the date it was bottled. Interesting. Yep, no fragrance there. And it's really not, I don't know what it is. It's a serum. It's not oily or anything. Okay, let's check the lotion. Again, no fragrance. That's nice. All right. See you in the morning. So it's actually not the next morning, but a couple of days later. I wanted to use this product for a few days before I gave you what I thought about it. And I don't know, the lighting's not much better in here, but maybe a little better. So again, I apologize. But anyway, the cleanser, I really like the cleanser. I used 4 pumps. I could probably get away with 3 pumps. And I really love the way it felt on my face. It took my makeup off very nicely. And for a free sample, that's a pretty good size. I'm trying to see, 1.7 ounces. Okay. So then the next thing, you use the serum. And again, there's quite a bit in here. It's 0.3 fluid ounces. And you just have a little, what do you call these? Like an eyedropper. And I use about 3 to 4 drops. And the first time I used this, I used it by itself. And then I used the cream. But the last couple of days, I've actually been mixing them together and then putting it all on my face and my neck. And again, I really like this. This is a good size for freebie. The last thing is the moisturizer. Now, I have to say, there's really not a whole lot in here. This is very small. This is going to be gone way before these other 2 are, especially this. There's a half of an ounce here, but with lotions, you tend to use a little bit more, especially when you're going to use it underneath makeup. Anyway, am I going to actually purchase this? Probably not. Not because I don't like it, but because it's so expensive. And it kind of makes me sad because if it was a little bit more affordable, I'd probably think about it. But you know, if you've got the money and you want a good product, I say go for it. But honestly, I cannot really justify spending over $100 for things like this when I can get good quality skincare for a lot less. Let me know your thoughts on that. And have you used Prose? Now, also stay tuned. I've been doing some hair care videos using the Prose line for my hair. So videos will be coming up on that too. And I want to thank y'all for joining me. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.